Good morning, everybody. Rise and shine. It's about 6:15 in the morning, and hey, guess what? I think I told you we're going on an adventure. Only thing is, let's see, which bike are we taking? Am I taking the X ADV 750 or the Transalp? Well, Miss Sassy May's coming along with me.
Good morning, everyone.
So guess what that means? That means the Transalp stays home, and the X ADV, with all its glory and its bags, are gonna go for an adventure. Got her all set up, got my phone up there. What a sexy beast that is, including this one here, right here. Honey, are you a sexy beast?
Sexy me?
Sexy beast.
Oh.
No. Yeah, we're gonna meet up the gang at the PTT station just north of Cha-Am. We're going up to Kanchanaburi. We're gonna stay at a resort just outside of Kanchanaburi about an hour. Then we're going up to Pilak, gonna see some waterfalls. Hopefully, knock on wood, we've got good weather, so we'll see what's going on. So what do we say? Let's take you for an adventure. Let me take you for a ride.
Right.
You need your helmet?
Yes.
It's still in the house.
Oh no.
Yeah, law. Okay, guys, off we go. Oh, you gotta get her out of the house here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ready? Put her in gear and off we go. Okay, the cast of characters are Mr. Gary on his ADV 350. I call him RoboCop because he's got so much electronic gadgetry on this thing. Bells and whistles and bags, of course. Yeah, you know the old X ADV. And then we got Mark and Maud. So we stopped here at Little Forest Cafe. We're not breaking any records, gonna take our time. Got some temples and things we want to look at on the way to Kanchanaburi. So anyway, gonna go inside and have some coffee and see what's up. There's Miss Sassy May, smile. Somebody's stealing my blueberry muffin.
Oh, you don't like, huh?
I told her it's terrible, don't eat. Anyway, I got myself a blueberry muffin and a hot latte.
But you didn't get a blueberry muffin?
Cast of characters, Mark and Maud, and Mr. Gary, as I explained. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to film on the road. We've got a couple of places we're going to stop. Gas stops, temple stops. Are we going to see any, we're going to see any 1 meter, 2 meter waterfalls?
No.
The smallest waterfall in the world?
Just when we get to the temple, look behind you, make sure nobody pushes you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to break another toe at the temple. was some pretty good roads. We just stopped to get some gas here at PTT. Now Mr. Mark says we got 57 minutes to our first temple.
First temple.
Woohoo! Temple time.
Get ready, back to back.
Oh, we love temples. Okay, so we made our first temple stop. And this is just the beginning of it here. Seems to be a relatively new temple. It's kind of a big open hall inside that one. Oh, there's Miss Sassy May, and we've got ourselves a reclining Buddha all dressed up in gold. Honey, what's the name of this temple?
Oh,
Oh.
Pukwa.
Pukwa?
Pukwa, yeah.
Pukwa, Ban Pukwa.
Wat Pukwa.
What?
Wa.
Yeah, what she said.
Wat Pukwa. Wow.
Smile.
สวยมากจ้ะ
Okay, came across this little structure. I mean, it looks like the Adobe Red. Mark made the comment the Aztecs made it all the way over here. But
Workmanship in the center.
yeah, I mean, a lot of cool cement work in this temple here. And we'll get up close here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make our way down to the cave. I'm watching my step. I don't want a repeat of what I did last week. My toe's pretty tender still walking on it, so I'm taking my time, but this is pretty special down here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says go that way, so we'll go this way. I'm kind of digging this temple. I'm glad we stopped here. I like this one. Oh, this is pretty cool. I mean, you gotta love a cave that's got a, I bet you a certain time of the day the light just comes in through there. Kind of a tight fit. Oh wait. Okay. I have to be quiet. Yeah, this is cool, going through the cave. Of course, yeah, I'm kind of thinking some of this stuff was made. Well, you definitely can see, yeah, they added that to that. See, people are putting money up in these cracks, so I'll do the same. Head out this way. Yeah, a lot of this is a natural cave, but then some of it, I think they put some of the stalagmites were added. I don't know. I'm not a geologist, so I couldn't tell you what's natural and what's not natural. And it comes out this way. Pretty sweet. Oh, found the group. Sassy May hasn't made her way around there yet, but I'm sure she will be. Oh, and I should have wore my elephant shirt.
ไม่ได้เติมแต่งเลยธรรมชาติ It's all nature all nature
Oh, all natural.
Yeah.
Oh, the water coming down. That's cool.
Water and nature
Okay, let's see if I can make it into the pots. Oh, almost. No. That's one. Ah, 1 out of 4. Ah, that should bring me some good boon. Okay, we're 2 minutes, 3 minutes from the other temple, and we got another lying down Buddha. This one's made of wood. But the interesting thing on this one is, well, maybe you guys can explain. Symbol on his chest. Here's another one of the wood Buddhas with the symbol on his chest. Now it might be turned differently. I'm not an expert on that, thank God, and I don't want to be an expert on that. But yeah, these are all carved from wood. Kind of sweet. That had to be some big chunks of wood. You can see where they make the sections together, and then they use I'm going to call it a butterfly joint. You guys probably know a better term for that, to put them together. Here's the outside of the temple. I guess I can know why I may call it the Chinese temple, but this is what you really come here to see. And this is all made of wood. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, and the walls are all wood. All the way up to the ceiling. Come check this out. Yep, I'm digging it. Let's go around this way and check it out over here. Oh, okay. Maybe it's a 4-sided. This is the second side. We'll come over here and check out this side over here. Okay. Wow. You know, I'm not much of a temple guy, but there are some worth coming to see. This one was pretty cool. The one we were just at down the road was pretty cool, and they're all right next to each other. Okay, now let's check this side out.
Did you focus on the centerpiece?
Okay, Mark said to look way up on the ceiling. So it looks like a dragon head dropping water down. Don't know what he's been smoking, but it must be pretty good.
Oh, you can see the 2 hands. You can see the head.
Okay.
Yeah. Listen.
Let me know in the comments. Okay, now I'm going to agree with Mark. I'm over on the other side. I was looking at the dragon head upside down. Yeah, dragon head with some water splashing down. Now that I look at it from this perspective. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 floors high. And each one of these has like a little plaque on them and a number. Number 433, your guess is as good as mine. Here's number 183. Number 464. Yeah, oh, and there's 2 rows of them too. But it just goes on and on and on and on and on. Over there, over there, over there. Yeah, pretty gosh darn impressive. This guy wants to high-five me. Oh, I'm gonna go to hell for that, I know. Oh, it's crowded back here. Look at these guys. He's happy. Wow. Incredible. And this is only about 20 minutes to a half hour outside of Kanchanaburi. And if you haven't had enough figurines, we got these guys here on the way out. Oh, anyway, we stopped at this quaint little restaurant along the road. People are getting their food. I'm gonna mess with Maud. Maud, there goes your water. Maud, there goes your water. Okay, here comes your water back, Maud. Oh, the pan's still sizzling. I got a ribeye steak. Check it out. Maybe getting their noodles. Okay, so you can get all that in there. Oh. People want to see you eat, honey.
No.
You know those videos where they just show an Asian lady scooping food in her mouth? That could be you. See? Look at that. That's good for 10 subscribers. Oh, okay. Surprise, surprise. As long as my steak came from toast and fries and a salad. Cool beans. Making our way to the hotel. Kind of off the beaten path. I love the scenery over there, those mountains. Star Hill River Quai Resort. We are at the Star Hill River Resort. Star Hill River Resort. About 40 minutes, 45 minutes outside of Kanchanaburi. 1,400 baht, which is, oh, how much did I say? About $43. But tell you what, guys, the view is right along the river. Swimming pools right down there. In the morning, the clouds come up over those hills. And May looks into my eyes romantically. It's romantic, honey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. A couple of beers, I might get romantic. Who knows? But anyway, yeah. Oh, check out the room. Big king size bed. We have refrigerator, which is not plugged in. A couple of waters. TV, which we never ever turn on. Oh, look at the view out the side of our room. I get like guys like waking up to that. Check out the bathroom. Yeah, typical wet bath, not too bad. I'll take it. But big size room, nice tiled floor. Kind of like in the Star Hill Resort. I'm gonna go check out the beer situation, and I think, oh, look who's already going down to the pool. Oh geez, the white, the glare off the top of your head. Oh, Mark beat me down to the pool. Haven't touched a drop. Well, yeah, went to the lobby, got a big Chang beer. I'm sorry, big Leo beer. That's it right there. And a couple of Spy for my honey. Carrying it to the room, gets all sweaty. I get to the room, I reach to open the refrigerator. The beer, boom, right on the floor. Oh God. So-called room service had them come down to clean that up. My nice wife, she went up there and says, oh, we need something cleaned up. And by God, she came back with a beer in her hand, Sassy May did. She replaced the one that I broke. So anyway, Mark and I were just gonna chill in the pool. Here, give me a second. Yeah, no gonna be no underwater for this GoPro, because the the rubber on the switches is deteriorated away, so I'm pretty sure it's not too waterproof. So anyway, yeah, love this resort. We've been here once before. Star Hill Resort, Kanchanaburi. We got shade right here under this section. Mr. Mark's got music going. Probably shouldn't interfere too much because it's not too loud. So yeah, we're just gonna chill in the pool. Maybe the ladies will come down. Gary's taking a nap. He didn't bring his suit, but since it's just us, what the heck, I've gone to a pool before with just my boxers, wrap a towel around your waist, come on down. So maybe we'll see him down there, but we're gonna sit there and shoot the shit for a while. And we've got our lunch picked out, or dinner picked out tonight. Maud wants op. She wants frog, and there's a really good restaurant here in town that's got all kinds of stuff like that, seafood, op, and of course your typical Thai dishes. But my room is right up there. Yeah, now it's a party. Waiting for Sassy May to come down. Beauty, oh, you lost your flower. Honey, you lost your flower.
Oh my god!
It's like a drowned rat.
Huh?
Drowned rat. Oh, there she goes.
You want to play today?
No!
It goes up after that.
What? You can't ew it.
The next hotel won't have a pool.
Hey, rainstorm out in the pool. Honey, we're gonna get wet. I don't know if you guys can see the rain coming down, but you know what? You gotta take the good with the bad. It's a good day. It's a good day. Rain, shine. We had great weather coming here. Well, okay, the rain kind of caught up to us here, but we just got back from the pool, so we're gonna do a happy hour on the patio. But still, that is just beautiful. Beautiful. We'll see what the evening has to hold for us. Hopefully this will pass on by and we'll be able to go out and have our have our frog dinner at our favorite Thai restaurant here. There, take two. Anyway, the blue skies are coming up here. The rain is probably like an hour long. We're enjoying our happy hour. Yeah, this is going to be done and gone in probably about 20 minutes, and we're going to hit the road and go off to our favorite restaurant. But I like staying at Kanchanaburi, but this is like 40 minutes out, and who wouldn't like staying here?
Mats.
Going out to eat.
Rafting?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, they see some boats coming down the river. So anyway, this is a little restaurant that we found up here. The chicken wings are great. The fried rice, chicken are fantastic. So we're gonna head inside and have something to eat. Maud fell in love with the frog here. She's been dreaming about it ever since last time we were here. So we're gonna check it out.
Cashew nut.
Yes, let's go for that.
Oh, the frog showed up.
Yeah,
Here, let me, give me, oh, you have one coming too? No, I gotta try it.
On the roof of a nearby building just outside the event in Butler.
Mmm. Tastes like chicken. Tastes like chicken, Gary.
Good. Well, have as much as you want, Bruce.
They don't worry about lawsuits here in Thailand. They just bring the fire to your table. So what'd you order, honey?
อะไรนะส้มแกงส้มปลาคัง fish
Fish? Yeah. Yeah. Freaking people would be suing the restaurant and collecting thousands of dollars, but no. They just bring the fire to the table.
อร่อย
Sassy May just got her fish soup,
curry with frog
and Miss Maud got jungle curry with frog, plus fried frog. I think you guys are gonna be moving here, Mark.
Yeah, more food.
Up. Jungle curry and frog. Anyway, that chicken cashew nut seems to be the favorite. 1, 2, 3, and we got some chicken wings coming up. Smile.
ไม่เห็นเลยทั้งตัวอ้าวไม่เห็นกู
And if I remember correctly, the chicken wings are pretty good, but yeah, they look pretty darn tasty. Frog legs, Gary. Frog legs. Tastes like chicken. Same.
Kind of looks like chicken too.
Yes, it does. Anyway, we'll dive into these bad boys. The girls are saying this stuff is spicy.
you try boy
No, I did try. I believe you. Mom's dying. How you doing, honey? Oh. Well, our food was 545 baht, which is about $15. Not too terribly bad. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. And the last time we were here, we had the friendly cat. The cat spent time in Mark and Maud's room all night long, and we've got a taker of a dog too.
มาใส่บุกเข้ามา
Nee. Okay, good night, cat. See you later. Good night, Maud, Mark. And the dog stuck outside. Anyway, we're gonna end this video here. Thank you for coming along today for the ride. Tomorrow, more adventures to Pilak.
Pilak waterfall
Yep, and some waterfalls and viewpoints.
he want to go inside
Yeah, the cat went right inside just like the last time we were here. So anyway, hey, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Bye